Kids Quiz Spot. Volcanoes. What is a volcano? An opening in the Earth's crust where molten rock, ash, and gases erupt onto the surface. What is lava called before it erupts? Magma. What is the top opening of a volcano called? Crater. What are small volcanoes called? Cinder cones. What is a volcano that hasn't erupted in a long time but might again? Dormant volcano. What is a pyroclastic flow? A fast-moving cloud of hot gas and ash. What kind of scientist studies volcanoes? Volcanologist. What famous volcano destroyed Pompeii? Mount Vesuvius. Where is Mount St. Helens? Washington, USA. When did Mount St. Helens famously erupt? 1980. What is a volcano that will never erupt again? An extinct volcano. What type of volcano is very wide and flat? Shield volcano. What tool is used to measure volcanic activity? Seismometer. Where is Mount Etna? Sicily, Italy. What do we call a volcano that is erupting now? An active volcano. Which country has the most volcanoes? The USA. What US national park has geysers and is a supervolcano? Yellowstone. What's the name of a huge volcanic crater? Caldera. Which Hawaiian volcano is one of the most active in the world? Kilauea. What kind of rock forms when lava cools quickly? Obsidian. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun quizzes.